So today, when we came here, we had no intentions of spending $174, but here we are. You guys know this always happens to us. This week, the Bounty paper towels were on sale for 20 bucks each, so we figured we cannot leave that there because my mom is a paper towel nut, and unfortunately, we ran out of toilet paper, but this toilet paper is going to last us a long-ass time. They have the Kirkland grass-fed burgers. These are the best burgers you can buy on, like, out there right now, the most healthiest ones. So we got those. We got sausages, we got Danish, we got my chicken, my egg bites, and we got the Heavenly Hunk granola bites, which are really good. Steven's like, oh, we don't need that. Yeah, we don't need that, but guess what? Rachel wanted them. So yeah, oh, Listerine and pads for Loki, pee pads. That was $10 for those 2 Listerine. So I'm like, you know what? We can't really, you have the keys, baby. We can't really leave the stuff. I know your hand is messed up. Do you want me to load the car? Steven messed up his hand. So we got pee pads, you know, my favorite chicken, of course. Now, Kirkland came out with their own version of egg bites. I'm holding the camera there because I might use this as my, what do you call that? The thing on the screen that people will see.
Everyone was buying.
Oh, you want to put the stuff in the cooler? So cooler. So burgers. Sausages. These are the Adele's natural chicken and apple. You can put those in the air fryer, so that's what we do with those.
Anything else, Cole?
Yeah, this. And then can we put the Danish in there? Will it fit on the top? No? No?
You don't need this one on there.
No, can we, maybe we should put this on the top, like that.
Put that on the front seat.
Alright, this will go on the front seat. And then we have Listerine, which we could throw, where's the back seat?
Put this here, put the Listerine.
So we brought our cooler today. We don't always remember, and then Steven remembered.
No, put this in the back front seat. Put the back seat.
Okay. Sorry, guys. Woo! Sorry. So we're going to put this in the back seat. So that's $174 worth of stuff. So I don't know. We've been coming to Costco quite a bit. Sorry for the camera. Okay, hold on. So that's $174 worth of stuff. Yes, I got a new bag at Universal. Can you guys see that? It's great. We went there last night. It was so good. We saw the night show. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching our Costco videos. You guys are obsessed with our Costco, BJ's, whatever, store videos, and I find it amusing. I love that I do the book check every time now, so it's pretty cool. But that's it. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.